Here's why: smart property buyers are flooding into Spring Hill right now. And it's not just about the city views, it's about having one of Brisbane's highest walk scores, a near perfect 97 out of 100. Let me put that in perspective. While most suburbs struggle to hit 70, Spring Hill scores an incredible 97, meaning you can literally walk to everything. Here's what a 97 walk score actually means. 3 minutes to Roma Street, Parklands, 8 minutes to Brisbane Private Hospital, 7 minutes to Brunswick Street's best cafes. The Real Estate Institute of Queensland found that properties with walk scores over 90 sell 3 times faster, attract premium tenants, and show stronger capital growth. Look, here's the truth. When you combine Spring Hill's near perfect walk score with its lifestyle amenities, you're not just buying property, you're buying into Brisbane's most walkable lifestyle hub. Want to know more about Spring Hill's hottest property opportunities? Visit realestatewealth.au now to get the full story.